Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make one flower vase or flower pot with cement and old clothes. So make sure if you want to make a very harder one, then better to use the normal cement, the black one. Or if you want a lighter one, then you can use white cement. Here I have used white cement because I didn't get the other one. So I'll show you the process now. So let's do it. Here I am using one old banyan of my husband, and I have made one circle with a marker. So you can increase the size or decrease the size according to your choice. Now I am going to cut it with a scissor. So see, one piece of cloth I got after cutting this. So it's a circle piece. So now I'm taking this bottle and applying some Vaseline or any kind of moisturizer cream or oil, because I am going to put this cloth on this bottle. So the cloth should not stick on the bottle, so that I am applying some cream on it, and then I am going to leave it aside, and then I'll start my process. So I have taken a big bowl here, plastic bowl. So in that I am going to mix the cement and the other things. So I have got here white cement, and along with that I am going to add little bit of water and Fevicol glue. If you want to make the pot very harder, better to use the other cement, the black one. But here it was not available, so I am using white cement. With the white cement I am using little bit of water and glue and mixing it nicely. Don't mix it in empty hand. Better to use hand gloves, or you can use spatula for mixing this mixture. I don't have spatula, so I am using my hand, but I am using hand gloves for that, so that it will not contact directly with your skin. So you need a smooth batter, smooth mixture. Almost done. Now I am dipping the cloth into this mixture. This all cement I am mixing with this cloth, so that the mixture can give a nice coat on the cloth. So I am just mixing very nicely, and I am adding little bit water because I feel it is little dry. So now, yes, now you have to check the consistency. So once you will feel, yes, the mixture is nicely coated on the cloth, then it is ready. Now I am going to keep the cloth. I am going to open it, and slightly I am going to keep it on that glass bottle, which one I applied cream and kept aside. Okay. So now what we have to do, just I am keeping another bowl and keeping the item on that, because I need little height. So the next thing we are going to do, I'll take little more mixture, and from the top of the cloth I am going to apply slowly. So give the folds nicely, because later once it is dry you cannot fold it. So however you want, you give the folds now. Nicely the pleats will come. And now the extra mixture I am going to apply from the top of the clothes. The same process you have to do inside also, but not now. Once the outer part will be completely dry, then we will remove it from the bottle and then we will put inside another coating of the cement. So now whatever cement is there, I'll just apply from the top. You can use brushes also to put the cement inside of the pleats also. So inside, if the hand is not going properly, you can take your brush and put this mixture inside the pleats. Putting the pleats are very important because it will give the shape of the jar, the pot, whatever you are making. So do it now, otherwise later you can't do. So I'll put the pleats and I'll leave it for drying. And once it is completely dry, then only I am going to show you the next step. Yes, it is dry now after 24 hours. So now I am just slowly removing the bottle. You can see I have the bottle is coming very easily because I applied the moisturizer. Now I made another this glass of mixture of glue, water and cement, and I am applying from the from inside part. So inside also, bottom also, you have to apply very nicely. Slowly you do. I am using brush because now it is hard, and if you want to put the mixture inside, it cannot go. So better to use brush. Outer part also, if you feel some places you need to apply, you can apply. I am basically applying it because I need to use some glitter. So for sticking the glitter, I am using this. Now I will apply little bit of glitter. You can use a normal glue also for applying the glitter, but you can see I have some leftover, so I am using that. Some silver glitter I am using on the top. Other parts also the same way I will apply glitter. It's not difficult, it's easy. Actually this bottle, I was keeping some roses in one bottle, so you know the bottle is not looking beautiful, right? So then I thought, okay, we can keep something, make something and keep the bottle inside that. So I feel it's a nice idea. We can buy ready-made vases from outside also, no matter, but if you are doing it from your hand, so it will give you some special happiness. And completely with waste materials. I am almost done. Everywhere I have put. But as you know that inside part, just now I put the cement so that it is not that much hard. Once it will be completely dry, then it will be very hard. Yes. So the extra cement I am putting it inside, so the base will be little more heavy and it can sit properly. Yes, I am done almost. So I'll keep this for drying at least for 24 hours. Once it is completely dry, I'll show you the next process. done. See, after 24 hours my vase is ready, and see what I am going to keep. I am going to keep just a simple bottle, and here I made some roses. These are my handmade roses. Those are also very heavy because made by clay. So then I am going to keep it like this. Hope you liked the video. If you feel it is useful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell for the next videos. Thanks for watching. So please make it at your home and give me your valuable comments in the comments box. And thanks for watching.